I'm John Barker. I'm with the Combat Hero Bike Builder. I'm actually the founder of it. We take motorcycles that have been donated and then we modify them so that they can operate it, then customize it front to back so that they can put it in a motorcycle show the next day. We've got 3 builders right now. Mark Daly from Thunderstruck Customs. He's the first one to jump on the bandwagon. He's been with me since day one. Then we've got Frankenstein Trike Kits out of Kansas. They build the world's best trike kits. Then we've got RAMJET Racing from here in Phoenix. They just started. This will be their first unveiling. Tony, why don't you fire that thing up?
It's a Harley. Little Tony.
You know, we built a lot of bikes over the years, but this is our first one for the Combat Hero veteran. It means a lot. It has going to a really good cause, and it's important to us, you know, and I'm looking forward to this next one. How does it feel?
Moses, Sonora. He's out of San Antonio, Texas, another single amputee. He trains boxers. I mean, I deal with the best people in the world. So that's the kind of work these guys do. David's from Southern California, and he's been talking to me for the last couple of years, wanting to donate his motorcycle, or it's his dad's motorcycle. So he's going to deliver it up here to Tony. Tony's going to take it to his shop and transform it for another vet in Pennsylvania. There you go. Lenny Hudson. See ya. Come on up here.
Tony from RAMJET Racing. We were just donated a motorcycle. We're going to be building a cool custom motorcycle to donate it off another Combat Hero bike build project. Really looking forward to it. I don't know what we're going to do yet. We're going to get some involvement from him, from whoever's going to receive it too. We try to ask a couple questions, get a general baseline of what they like, and then we